Goat's milk or cow's milk? Okay, let's talk about this a little bit. So, cow's milk can be problematic for a lot of people because of the lactose in it, but also because it's called an A1 casein, A1 protein, which is high in casein, but it's also high in lactose. So that can really bother some people. So, goat's milk is what's called A2 protein, and A2 protein is a lot easier to digest. The fat globules are smaller and they're easier for your body to break down. And goat's milk is actually a little higher in fat than cow's milk when you're looking at full fat. So that means it's full of essential fats. It's actually higher in essential fats, and it has higher calcium content than cow's milk and higher potassium, which is a wonderful mineral that we all need. So you might want to try some goat's milk. All right, follow me on Divine Farmer Health for more tips. Bye for now. Want to receive restoring organ function recipes to your inbox? Sign up at divinefarmerhealth.com.